Alzheimer's disease. It's one of the most feared and least understood conditions. But did you know your genes could play a key role in whether or not you develop it? Alzheimer's is a progressive brain disorder that slowly destroys memory and thinking skills. While many factors contribute to Alzheimer's, one of the most significant is genetics. One gene in particular stands out, ApoE4. You may have heard of this gene before. It's the most well-known genetic risk factor for Alzheimer's. But having this gene doesn't mean you're destined to get the disease. Here's where it gets interesting. Carrying the ApoE4 gene increases your risk, but lifestyle and other factors can influence whether Alzheimer's actually develops. Let's break it down. There are three main forms of the Apo gene: ApoE2, ApoE3, and ApoE4. If you inherit one or two copies of ApoE4 from your parents, your chances of developing Alzheimer's increase. But even then, it's not a guarantee. In fact, many people with the ApoE4 gene never develop Alzheimer's at all. On the other hand, some who don't carry the gene still do. Why? Because Alzheimer's is driven by multiple factors, genes are just one piece of the puzzle. Lifestyle plays a major role. Regular physical activity, a healthy diet, mental stimulation, and strong social connections can all help reduce the risk, even if you carry the ApoE4 gene. And it's not just about ApoE4. Other genes like TREM2 and AP are also being studied for their role in Alzheimer's, but the story is still unfolding. If you're curious about your genetic risk, there are ways to find out through genetic testing. But remember, genes alone don't decide your future. It's always best to consult a healthcare professional before making any decisions. The good news is, even with genetic risk, you can take steps to protect your brain. It's never too early or too late to focus on brain health. Unlocking the genetic mystery behind Alzheimer's is just the beginning. You have the power to shape your future health. Take control today.